You can enter your business's expenses directly through your phone by using the QBO mobile app. First, select the Create menu, and then press Expense. In the Amount field, enter the amount of money that you spent. We bought some job materials for $250. Then press Done. Now enter how you paid for this expense: credit card, check, or other. We used the debit card, so I'll select Other, and then choose our checking account. The QBO app assumes that this expense occurred on the current date, but if this transaction took place on a different day, you can select the date and then choose a different date from the calendar. In the Who Did You Pay field, enter the vendor that you paid. You can choose to leave this field empty, but if you want to run expenses by vendors reports, it's important to enter a vendor's name here. We bought job materials at Joaquin's Hardware Emporium. In the What Kind of Expense Is This field, enter an account to categorize this purchase. We spent money on job materials, and we have a job materials expense account, so choose job materials. If this expense was for a particular customer or project, you can choose their name in the Who Was It For field. Just press on it with your finger and then choose the customer from the list. If it is for a particular customer or job, you can also mark it as being billable with the billable toggle. Scroll down, and if you need more than just one account to categorize this particular expense, you can choose Add a Split to choose multiple distribution accounts. In the reference number and memo fields, you can add additional details. Scroll back up to the top and notice that up at the top left, there is a picture of a camera. Let's press on that. QBO then allows you to take a picture of the receipt with your phone's camera. After you've done so, select Save up at the top right. QuickBooks enters the expense and uploads the picture that you took and attaches it to the transaction in QuickBooks. The picture of the receipt that you upload is easily accessible both through the browser version of QuickBooks and through the app version of QuickBooks.